Tower Cherokee 4011 Romeo, approximately, well, 15 miles to the southeast. Inbound full stop with an emergency.
Cherokee, correction, November 4011 Romeo, Falcon Tower, roger, runway 22 left, 22 right news, wind 21015, gust 25, the Falcon altimeter 2983.
2983, and we'll take 22 left, 4011 Romeo.
So it took a 4011 Romeo, roger, you want runway 22 left, and just say fuel and souls on board.
3 souls on board, and fuel is 45 gallons, 4011 Romeo. Fuel 30 gallons, 4011 Romeo.
30 gallons, copy. Answer, Toga 4011 Romeo, you'll be number 1, runway 22 left, clear to land.
Number 122 left, clear to land, 4011 Romeo.
Falcon Tower, Airport 3, I'm going to be doing an inspection full length.
Airport 3, roger. Airport 3 or 4, Falcon Tower.
Falcon Tower, Airport 3.
Airport 3, are we able to use taxiway Bravo to cross aircraft to the south ramp?
Stand by. There might be some police officers coming out, but we'll try and stop them before that.
Airport 3, you can just disregard. We'll use Alpha.
Roger that, thanks.
And Airport 3, is Charlie okay also for at the end for people trying to go north runway?
That's affirmative. Charlie is fine.
Thank you.
Falcon ground, foam 28. What type of aircraft do we have inbound?
Foam 28, it's a PA-32 Saratoga.
Copy, PA-32 Saratoga.
Foam 28, Falcon ground. The next aircraft to land on runway 22 left, estimated the field in about 5 minutes. Is the emergency aircraft. There's 3 souls on board and 30 gallons of fuel.
Foam 28 copies, 30 gallons of fuel, 3 souls on board, 5 minutes south. Falcon ground, foam 28. We're going to take Delta, and we're going to hold short of Delta 6 and stage there.
Foam 28, proceed on taxiway Delta, hold short of runway 22 left at Delta 6.
Copy, thank you. Holding short, Delta 6.
Foam 28, hold short runway 22 left at Delta 6.
Copy, holding short of runway 22 left, Delta 6.
Falcon ground, engine 208.
Calling Falcon ground, say again?
Engine 208, requesting permission to follow foam 28 onto the runway.
Engine 208, proceed via taxiway Delta, hold short of runway 22 left at Delta 6.
Engine 28, taking Delta 6 to 22 left.
Engine 208, hold short of runway 22 left at Delta 6.
Engine 208, holding short, 22 left at Delta 6.
Falcon ground, foam 28.
22 left.
Falcon ground, Airport 3 and 4 would like to follow the emergency equipment across Delta.
Airport 3 and Airport 4, proceed on to taxiway Delta, proceed on to runway 22 left.
Airport 3 and 4 proceeding on 22 left.
Falcon ground, Mesa Fire Battalion 203 at Bravo Delta. I'd like to proceed to the crash site.
Mesa Fire 203, Falcon ground, proceed on to taxiway Delta, proceed on to runway 22 left.
Bravo Delta 22 left, Battalion 203.